Hey guys, it's Fashion Week, and this video is going to be somewhat of a quick tip video. I get a lot of messages from a lot of girls saying the same thing. Whenever they go into stores, they can't find anything to buy. They go in there and then they're just overwhelmed and they just walk out the store getting nothing. So here are a couple of tips that I will give you guys. One, if you're having trouble, like whenever you go into stores like Forever 21 or H&M and you're looking at clothes and you feel overwhelmed, you don't know what to get, you don't know what to try on, go on to their online stores. I know Forever 21, they have all of their items that they sell in stores and online. So when you go there, look at some clothes and look at some things that you really like, print them out if you have to, and go to the store and therefore match it up. Or look at them online, like I said, and then remember which items that you like, and then you'll have a good idea of what you will be looking for when you go back into the store. Another thing is just to try things on. I know a lot of times we look at items and we say, oh, that looks cute, and then we just brush it on by. Or you look at something and say, oh, that's ugly, that would never look good on me, and you brush it on by. If you think it's cute, and if you think it's ugly and it will never look good on you, pick it up and try it on anyway. You never know. Something that looks so weird to you and your eyes may actually look awesome and great on your body, and just you in general. So try clothes on. Another thing when going shopping, especially when you're trying to build up your wardrobe, go by yourself. Sometimes friends can really distract you. I know a lot of times if a friend can't find anything and they're bored, the mood kind of goes down, and then you're bored, and then you can't find anything, and then the whole shopping experience is just ruined. So those are exactly some great tips that you ladies need to really know if you're having dilemmas trying to go into store shopping. One, go online, look at what the store has to offer. Find some shoes, some skirts, some tops that you really do like, and then go to the store and find the exact same thing. Oh, another thing that I almost forgot is find your style celebrity. There are all kinds of celebrities, and they all have different styles. So find a celebrity that kind of matches what you like to wear. Like if you look at a celebrity and you say, oh, I really like that. I really like the clothes that he or she puts on. Then print out some of their outfits and go to the stores in your malls and find pieces that match those outfits. So again, here are the tips. 1. Go online, see what the store has to offer. 2. Try things on. No matter if you think it's ugly, no matter if you think it's okay, try it on anyway. Go by yourself. Friends sometimes can be distracting and dishonest. And then the last thing, try to find your style celebrity. Find someone that has great style that you really do like and that you can actually relate with, and go to the store and pick out some clothes that actually match some of the pictures and the clothes that your style celebrity had on. So those are a few quick tips that I have for ladies out there who are in the dilemma of trying to figure out what to buy in these stores and you get so confused. So I really hope that I helped. So let me know what you think. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, rating, commenting, and subscribing. And I'm so excited because I'm going to go see Alice in Wonderland at 11 o'clock at night. I'm really upset though because I wanted to see it IMAX 3D and everything was sold out. I mean, we tried to get the tickets at 4 and everything was sold out to 12 o'clock at night. So we just settled for the regular 3D, which IMAX and 3D are two totally different things. The quality is just so much better IMAX, but I'm still going to go see it tonight, and I'm very excited about it. So I hope I helped you guys anyway with your shopping dilemmas. Let me know what you think. Also check out my blog. I have a few, just like 2 new posts that I put up that are really cool. You guys should check them out, especially for you ladies that are living in New York City. Go and check that out. Maybelline is doing having their reps and makeup artists at Walgreens in the New York area and some other states as well. So go ahead and check that blog out. Alright guys, I love you all. Bye.